In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue when your GCash app or GCash game won't open. Whether your app keeps freezing on the loading screen, crashes unexpectedly, or shows a blank display, this simple step-by-step guide will help you get your GCash running smoothly again in no time. First, open your device's App Store or Play Store and check if there's an update available for the GCash app. If there is, go ahead and install it. Running the latest version helps fix bugs and improve performance. While you're at it, also update your phone's operating system to ensure everything is compatible and up to date. Next, if you're on Android, try clearing the app cache. To do this, go to your phone settings, then select Apps, GCache, Storage, and Clear Cache. This step removes temporary files that might be causing the app to malfunction without deleting your account or data. After that, restart the GCash app and refresh your internet connection. On Android, swipe the app away from recent tabs. On iPhone, swipe up or double-tap the home button and close it. Then toggle airplane mode or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A quick network reset often solves temporary connectivity issues. If the problem still persists, disable any VPNs, developer options, or floating apps that may interfere with the app. Some users have reported that turning off their VPN or developer mode immediately fixed the issue and allowed GCash to open normally. Also, check if GCash is under server maintenance or if certain features like GCash games or rewards are temporarily restricted due to eligibility rules. Sometimes, access is limited for users under 21, students, or government personnel, depending on ongoing system updates or region-specific rules. As a last resort, reinstall the GCash app. Simply uninstall it and download it again from the Play Store or App Store. Don't worry, your account information is safely stored on GCash's servers, but it's always a good idea to back up any important data first. Once you've done all these steps, reopen the app and everything should work smoothly again. If one method doesn't fix it, try combining a few. Often the best results come from updating, clearing cache, and restarting together. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the GCash app not opening problem quickly and get back to your transactions and games without interruptions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful app fixes and tech tutorials.